everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Aneta here, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Google Fonts in your project. And this is the website we are gonna work on today. So let's get started. We have this HTML file with 3 elements inside of our body, H1, H2 and paragraph element. And we have this CSS file with the basic styling for the body. It basically makes each element of the body to appear at the center of the viewport. As you can see, this is at the center of this page, no matter how small or big it is. So let's go to the Google Fonts website and choose one. I will choose Poppins because it's my favorite one. And I'm gonna use this light one for the paragraph, and of course this regular one, and also this bigger one for H1 element. We have these 3 weights of our Poppins font. And now let's copy this last of the 3 links and place it into our index.html file right before the styling. Let's save it. And of course it's not gonna work yet because we need one more thing, which is CSS code. Let's copy that one and let's place it into our styling to the body. Let's save it and let's see. That looks much better. Okay, I choose Poppins because it's my favorite, but it doesn't really have to be Poppins. Let's remove that and try another one. Let's go to the beginning. Let's remove the Poppins and just choose something like maybe this one. That looks fun, but let's move on. Okay, I don't know, maybe something like this. Let's see. Okay, we have only one to select, the regular one. So let's select this one. And let's see, let's copy the last link, Ctrl C, and place it here. Let's save it. And also change this one. And let's see the result. What do we get? It doesn't really look that good. Yeah, it's hard to really read that. But the point is that we just learned how to use Google Fonts. That was fast. Well, anyways, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.